Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and you're welcome to the Girly Diary. We are in our nesting season and we are going to be nesting from now. So today on my list, I just want to sort out laundry and then set up my baby's drawer, because with the look of things, it seems baby is going to even come way earlier than I expected, because yesterday I had some kind of contractions and it felt as if baby was going to come. But it happened to be that it was Braxton Hicks. So I just have to start preparing early instead of waiting for when I have the time. I'll just be nesting gradually and gradually. So today, laundry, dressing up the drawer, and that's if my strength carry me to do that one. Plus, I have these items that I got from my vendor. I want to be unboxing them because I'll need to arrange it. Is a bedside rack, and I got gymnastic ball, like betting ball, that I'll use to sit and exercise my pelvic muscle. Then also I'll also be using it later. All the baby things I got, like everything you are seeing here, I got from one person. The first time, which was 2024, when I was pregnant with the twins, I went to the market and I got some things. So when the shop I entered was her shop, and she gave me her contact, and since then I've been buying things from her. I've not even gone to the market ever since then. I'll just pick what I want or ask for the things I want, and she will just bill it to me, which I feel is very, very good. And her prices are very fair, because I will compare prices online first, then I'll ask her. And if she doesn't have, but she mostly have everything, she has a lot of things, and her prices are very, very affordable. It's very strong, oh, very, very strong. I don't know if I want to set it up now, but let's see. I might set it up now, I might not set it up now. The issue is that I'm just overwhelmed. Everything is too much. I don't even know where to start from. I'm eating sugar cane. Honestly, this will be like the first time in my life that I don't even know where to start from. Like I'm seeing something, I don't know where to start from. I don't know how to go about it. My head is, I don't know. Why am I feeling this way? Because I can't even explain it. It's a lot. I don't know if I should put this one first, or if I should put this one first, or if I should put this one first. This down, the last drawer here, I'm using it for blankets, flannel, towel, anything that is heavy and thick. That's what I'm putting in this last drawer here. Then this second one, I think I'll be doing maybe like wipes, some, I don't even know yet. Then the first one is going to be the clothes. The clothes are going to be here. Then I'm going to also set up a basket where you have like things that you can easily pick up, like comb, wipes, body showers, bath oil, baby oil, and the rest of it is going to be on the top here for easy access. Clothes here. This I have not figured out what I'm going to be putting here, but this one, this is what I'm going to be having here: the flannel, the blankets, anything thick. This is not exactly what I wanted my carpenter to do. I gave him a different thing, and I think he didn't understand it, and he did something like this. I wanted it a bit down. I wanted it to come down a bit. It's too high like this, and it's not what I wanted, but I just have to manage it. Then the spaces, I don't like the way they built it. He has been doing a good job since all the furniture we have in our house. He's basically the one that did everything. So I was confused when he did something like this. Honestly, I was angry at that time, but I just had to let it go. I'm like, it's just, I just have to use it like that because there's nothing I can do. I feel like the purchase I regret most is this care kit. I don't know if I'll be using this thing to do anything. Honestly, I feel like I just wasted my money buying this because the things here, I basically bought them separately already. I bought comb, I bought thermometer. A lot of things are here. The only thing I think I don't have is pacifier and the nail clip, the nail file. I don't just understand why I got it. But now I'm also looking for where to fit it, like where I'm going to keep it, because I don't even know what I want to use it for. The last time I was in this room was on Monday. Today is Thursday. That is 3 days or 2 days difference. And I've not even come back to this room since that time. Honestly, I still feel like I still have time. We are actually 36 weeks today, exactly 36 weeks. And I feel like I still have a lot of time. And my baby, I'm sure my baby will be looking at me and be like, I will shock you, this girl. Rachel, I will shock you, this woman. I'm going to shock you. So let's do the little I can for today. But I'm almost through though. I think the only thing that is going to take my time is ironing the clothes. I need to press the clothes, like iron them. And we've not had light since. That is just the issue. The transformer got spoiled, and I believe they are going to fix it before time, before within few days they're going to fix it. Yeah. But arranging the drawer, I'm done. It's just remaining the clothes, the pampers, and just few things. So let's do the little I can for today, and tomorrow we start again. going to set this on camera. Okay, so this is what we have. This took me about an hour to set up. It's looking small, but it's a bit complicated though. Not so complicated, Sha. I was finding it difficult to screw the knot. Thank God it came with its own screwdriver, very small. It came with everything, nut and screw. And if not, those big one wouldn't have been able to enter here, all these tiny, tiny places. So this is going to be by the bedside. When you need anything at night, you can just pick up anything you want. So it's very, very nice. And after that, you can also even use it for bathroom. You can use it to stack up anything in the kitchen. You can also buy it for kitchen and bathroom safe. It's very good. I like it, and it's sturdy, very, very strong. It's sturdy enough to carry things. Hi guys. It's a new day, and the last time I did something in this room, I think I was 36 weeks and some days. And I honestly thought that I would have been done with nesting, but every day, I'm changing things, I'm rearranging things, and that's because baby is not yet here. I'm 38 weeks and 2 days today, and I am still nesting. Baby's cot just arrived this morning. The furniture guy delivered this cot as at after 6 this morning. I was even still sleeping when he woke me up, and I'm trying to clean it up and look for where I'm going to keep it. Let me show you guys. He did a perfect job. So perfect. Let me show you guys. So this is the cot. He did a good job, a perfect job. I gave him a picture of what I wanted on Pinterest, and he delivered. So I'm just going to clean it up because you have some dirt. So that's what I just want to be cleaning up with. I'm going to be using wipes to clean it up before I start figuring out where it's going to be. I don't think it's going to be in this room. I think it's going to be in our own bedroom because there's no space for it here. Honestly, these rooms are too small. I don't know, but they are too small. But we just have to manage and work with what we have. This is a mattress. He also made this one too, and did a good job. Although it's dirty, but I already ordered bed sheets from Temu that I'll be using to cover it up. So